Okay guys, so this is Hitesh Tripathi and this is editorial video of question C bargain. Actually yesterday my mouse was not working, that's why I am making this editorial today. Codeforces round 675 division 2. In this question what we are having is, sometimes it is not easy to come to an argument in the bargain. There are two persons, Shasha and Vova, and we are having one string of number, or we are having a number n in the form of a string, you can say. Okay, now Vova in one operation is removing a substring of this number n, substring of this number n, like for example Vova removed 1312. Okay, now Shasha is coming up with a number remaining 121. Okay, so in one operation Vova can remove obviously more n plus n plus 1 by 2 substrings. Okay, in one operation Vova can remove any substring of this number n. Okay, and the number which will be remained after Vova's move will be some different number. So we have to count sum of all possible resulting prices after Vova's move. Okay, this is our question, and obviously answer will be very large, so we have to print its modulo. Okay, now these are two test cases. So in this question what we can do is, one second guys, actually ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, ठीक है, बट इस पे लोगों ने ब्रूट फोर्स भी काफ़ी कर दिया, दैट्स वाई हो गया. ठीक है, कोई नहीं. सो लेट्स से वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन वन, लेट्स से वी हैव अ नंबर 3 4 5 6 7 8 1. Okay, so our operations are, let's say we have removed this number, remained will be 1 6 7 8, and we have to count it in our sum. Okay, obviously we can't generate all substrings and then count my number sum. So in this question what we'll be seeing is, we will see contribution of each number in our subsequent sum. Okay, like for say, let's say this is our sum which we are calculating. So in this array every number, let's say 5, every number will contribute, let's say some number in this array is x. Okay, every number will contribute a fixed amount in this sum. Okay, a fixed amount, or you can say some amount it will contribute in this subsequent sum. Okay, so we will simply calculate contribution of this number x in our subsequent sum. Okay, okay, so okay, so now let's say we here are having 5 and we are calculating calculation due to 5 in our sum. Okay, so we can do operation in three ways. Either we are removing some substring in the left of 5, or we are removing some substring in the right of 5, or we are removing substring which includes 5, let's say this one. Okay, so there are three cases in which this case is 1, this case is 2, and because of third case, when we are removing some substring which includes this number 5, there will be obviously no contribution because of this number, because we have already removed this number from our n. Okay, so we just have to count contribution due to this number in our first case and second case. Okay, so if we see my first case, when we are removing any substring from the left of the number. Okay, So let's say this one case. So case 1, for every substring remove from left, let's say we removed this substring, or we can remove this substring, or we can remove this substring, or any substring, 5 will every time contribute 5000 in the array. How? Because position of 5 is fixed. Okay, position of 5 is fixed, and 5 is at 0th, 10th, 100th and 1000 position. Okay, so in our subsequence every time 5 will contribute 5000, or you can say 5 cross 10 raise 3, or you can also say that numbers after this, or index n minus index of 5 रेज, तो यहाँ पे आप लोग कर सकते हो n माइनस इंडेक्स ऑफ 5. ओके, ग्रेट. सो ये हमने कर लिया, एंड ड्यू टू 5 वी आर हैविंग इंक्लूजन इन सम इक्वल्स टू 5 रेज 10 रेज 3. ओके, नाउ दिस इज बिकॉज one substring removal from the left, and total number of substrings we can remove from left part of 5 will be obviously n plus 1 by 2, where n is number of elements in the left of 5 obviously. ठीक है, because by using these 3 elements we can make total number of substrings 3 cross 4 by 2 means 6. 6 substrings will be, let me tell you, 1 3 4, and you can generate all substrings like 1 3 1 4 1 3 3 4 1 3 4. okay, there are 6 substrings. okay, now our first case is completed. okay, now time for second case, where 5 will contribute in our subsequent sum, or you can say this is our sum. ठीक है, s, and in this 5 will contribute 5 cross 10 raised 3 multiply n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2. okay, now for second test case we are having index of 5. okay, and we are having some array in the right of 5. now we have to tell how much it will contribute in our subsequent sum. how we can do that is, let's say we have removed we are having this in our array 5 and 3 positions like 6 7 8, or you can fill any number in this. let's say we have removed a substring of length 3 total. okay, so 5 will contribute how much amount in our subsequent sum? it will be 5 cross 10 raised 0. okay, 5 cross 10 raised 0, because 5 will be at 1th position, and total number of substrings of length 3 will be obviously 1. okay, now if we make substrings of length 2, how much 5 will contribute? if we are making substrings of length 2, how much 5 will contribute is 5 into 10 raise 1, because 5 will be at 10th position, like one number will be at 0 position in right part and 5 will be at 10th position. Okay, so 5 will contribute 5 into 10 raise 1 multiply total number of substrings of length 2 from this will be obviously 2. Okay, great. Now total number of substrings 5 will contribute to our subsequence when we are removing substring of length 1 only. Substring of length 1 only. Like if we are removing only 6, then obviously 5 will contribute 5 into 10 raise 2. Okay, because 5 will be at 100th position. Multiply total number of substrings of length 3. Obviously it will be 3. Okay, so this much amount 5 will contribute to our subsequent sum, or we can say answer, when we are removing any substring from the right part of 5. Okay, so if we can see, if we take common 5 from all these, it will be equals to simply 5 multiply 1 plus 20 plus 30, or 30, not 30, it will be 300. Okay, great. So 5 cross, it will be equals to simply 3 2 1. आई होप ये समझ में आ गया हो. इसका सम इक्वल्स टू 3 to 1 होगा. ओके, what if we are having 4 numbers, like after 5 we are having 4 numbers. You can say that 5 के बाद हमारे पास 5 के लेफ्ट में हमारे पास 6 7 8 and 9 4 numbers are there. Then simply we will 5 will contribute 5 cross 4 3 2 1 in our subsequent sum. Okay, so due to 5, total contribution in our subsequent sum will be 5 cross number of elements after 5. Let's say it will be 4, so total contribution will be 5 cross 4 3 2 1. Okay, and in second case, and in first case it will be simply n plus 1 by 2, where n is number of elements in the left of 5, multiply 10 multiply 10 is 3, or you can say number of elements in the right. Okay, so total contribution of 5 will be case 1, this sum is due to case 2, and case 1 sum. Okay, okay, now let me show you my code, and you will simply get it. What I am saying is, let me firstly print all the arrays which I am making. Okay, 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 so there are two arrays which I am making is power of 10. Okay, and second array is right. Okay, and for 107, let me print this whole thing, and you will simply get what I am doing. Okay, so in my power I am taking power of 1 10, power of 10 according to their index. Okay, 1 10 100 or 10 raised 3, and then in my right array I am taking simply this thing what I told you here, 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, simply this thing for second case which I have explained to you, 1 2 3 1 2 1 0 in this way. Okay, so here I simply make power array, then here I simply started making my right second case array. You can say second case array 1 2 3 1 2 1 0, or next term will be simply 1 4 3 2 1. Next term will be 4 3 2 1, and further term will be 5 4 3 2 1. I hope you will get it. Okay, now we just have to sum for every number two cases. We will iterate over our number, or you can say string, and then we take our that character. In this case that character is 5, which I have explained to you. Okay, here I have already explained to you. Let's say for 5 we are calculating total contribution in our subsequent sum. So it will be firstly solution multiply right n minus I minus 1 multiply d. What is this? Right of n minus I minus 1. It means 3 2 1. This is for second part. You can observe ये जो second case था ना, इसके लिए मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, ये वाला जो केस है, यू कैन सिंपली ऑब्जर्व इस सॉल्यूशन में मैंने क्या किया, मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ डी एंड राइट ऑफ एन माइनस आई माइनस 1 ऐड कर दिया है. मल्टीप्लाई एंड ऐड मॉड आर सिंपली टू फंक्शंस. यू कैन सी हियर in which I am adjusting modulo operation. Okay, there should be no confusion in add mod and multiply, and this line is for case 2. Okay, now for case 1 we are simply calculating total number of subarrays in the substrings in the left of d, and then simply what we will do is we will multiply total number of subarrays with power of n minus I minus 1. You can say this thing. Multiplying d with power of n minus I minus 1 multiply total number of substrings in the left of the number. Okay, so multiplying d with power with total number of substrings in the left of the number and just adding it to the solution, and simply at the end when we will count contribution due to every number in our string, we will simply print out the solution. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope कि कोई doubt नहीं होगा, and if you have any doubt you can always ask in comment section. Subscribe this channel if you haven't done yet, and press the thumbs up button if you like this video. Thank you guys for watching.